And now let me present our final COVID hero. This one is the Vancouver Island COVID 3D printing group. This is just a great story. You're going to see a little video of them in a second here. But in the early stages of the coronavirus pandemic, PPE was in an extremely short supply. Manufacturers were backlogged for months and shipping resources were down. Healthcare facilities had no chance of acquiring enough PPE for the looming first wave of the COVID cases. Do you remember that? How concerned we were you couldn't find masks or anything? Well, the Vancouver Island COVID 3D printing group coordinated over 100 volunteers to use their 3D printers to create face shields and ear protector clips for medical masks. Many of them worked 24 hours per day printing. They had these machines just running all day. They were purchasing more filament and designing improvements to the CAD models to make these great devices. As the requests increased, some tech-savvy volunteers worked with a Vancouver group to set up a sophisticated order tracking and delivery route planning system. They also maintained close communication with UVic and VIHA teams and supported one another with supplies, logistics, and technical knowledge. The volunteers consisted of the tech-savvy and also blue-collar university, high school, and middle school students. Some had lost their jobs due to the pandemic or owned small, struggling businesses. Many didn't have a printer, but drove their personal vehicles to pick up and drop off orders, sometimes driving halfway up the island to meet an urgent request. Together, they supplied hospitals, ambulance stations, police and fire departments, senior homes, homeless support workers, rehab centers, midwives, dentists, and so many more. So please give it up for this incredible collaborative group of COVID-19 heroes. Just an amazing thing that they did. And it was so quick. And it's exactly the type of thing that you want to see from a strong community where it pulls together and people just pull whatever resources they have and whatever time they can give to make a difference. So the COVID 3D printing group is just a phenomenal COVID hero to close it out. And so congratulations to them. And let's hear from them now.
My name is Tashin, and I'm 9 years old.
And I'm Tashin's mom.
Hi, I'm Kelly Burns. I'm the owner of West Coast Creations.
I am a prototyping specialist.
I'm a retired teacher.
I'm an electronics technologist with the Canadian Coast Guard.
We were a group of over 100 volunteers from Victoria and Vancouver Island.
In the early stages of the pandemic, PPE was in extremely short supply. We 3D printed face shields and ear protectors and gave them to frontline medical workers.
We delivered over 1,600 3D printed face shields
and 3,000 ear protectors to approximately 50 medical facilities,
including hospitals, ambulances, police and fire departments, senior homes, midwives, and dentists.
During the beginning of COVID, that was kind of a nice thing to feel that you were doing a little bit of something.
The thousands of hours, and it's been totally worth it.
It's great that we can make a difference, but I certainly don't feel like a hero.
Thank you, VIATEC, for recognizing people in the community that do great work.
Thanks, VIATEC.
Thanks, VIATEC.
Thank you, VIATEC.
Thanks, VIATEC.
Thanks, VIATEC.